Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. This is a short video that I'll be talking on an African remedy that can be used in managing fertility issues and which can also be used in boosting ovulation in women. So this is it. It's called PREKESE, and the English name is tetrapleura teraptera, and it is beneficial in one's fertility. So I'm going to share with you how to make the tea so that it can increase fertility. So before I boil it, I'm going to rinse it off from any dirt. Then I will be adding grains of selim and also cloves to make the tea. It is always advised that one should get antioxidant supplements and also antioxidant rich foods that can boost ovulation. So these three ingredients that I'm going to be using are all packed with antioxidants. They also have anti-inflammatory properties. So that is why combining these three will be an effective remedy to improve fertility in both men and women. So these are the two ingredients that I'm adding: the grains of selim and also cloves. So if you have these kitchen ingredients, you can just add it to your PREKESE and boil it to make your tea. So now I'm just going to put this on fire and I'll allow it to boil before I strain it and use it, but I'll let it cool before I drink it. So now let me walk you through the benefits of PREKESE. PREKESE is a good source of calcium, potassium, magnesium, iron, and all this will boost one's immune system. It is also used in traditional medicine to lower blood sugar levels, that is for people with diabetes, and it's also known to help in shrinking fibroids in women diagnosed of fibroid. So you can see this has a lot of benefits. You can check it out on the internet, or you can even try to ask people involved in traditional healing the benefits of PREKESE. Now I have strained it and I'm just going to drink. You can take it morning and night, or you just take it once daily. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. See you next time. Bye.